19, 20, 21. Pjoe.
Dit was het. Dit was het. Tot morgen.
Tot morgen.
We spent a few days on a campsite with a swimming pool. Then we drove on to the south of Denmark, again on the way back to the Netherlands. We stopped at a farmer in Obenho. Apparently we had not had enough of the farming life yet.
Even een rondje. Oh, daar.
Jij, auto.
Achteruit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hallo, hier ben ik op een camperplaats, de camping. En daar kan je slapen. 1 nachtje en daarom. Doei!
Even more new life. We saw how a calf was born in a cow, and soon brought in the farmer. He promotes the birth by tickling the cow in the nose with some straw.
Once it's alive, you can put a straw in the nose.
Then he did the same to the calf, causing it to breathe. Mother and daughter are doing great. Another memory for life.
Daar is een file. Daar is een file.
We pass the border between Denmark and Germany again. On a small country road, traffic is held up by a pedestrian with a cart. And something special is happening. As we pass the man with the cart, Justin feels like he has met this man before. But we cannot stop on this road without obstructing all traffic. We continue to a parking lot in Labo on the Baltic Sea. We are therefore very surprised when we receive this photo during a walk. This is Jean-Francois Aylet, philosopher, designer, but above all a traveler. He has been continuously traveling on foot through Europe since 2017, collecting sand from beaches of all seas in the world.
Bon appetit!
Thank you very much. Happy to meet you.
You're welcome.
This sand will serve as the basis for a monument to be erected in honor of humanity.
Maar hij hangt ondersteboven in het vliegtuig, hè? Zie je dat?
The project is called Baltica Atlantica. At the end of the video there is a link for more information about this. Jean-Francois spent the night that night in his own tent right next to our car. Its construction was an interesting spectacle. Jean-Francois donated a suitable text for our camper truck. We walked back to the beach, where the German submarine, the U-995, is on display.
We zijn onder een museumboot. Best gaaf. Je kan wel kleine stukjes meekijken. Maar wij doen wel even de push-up challenge. Want we zijn wel bij 22. Nou, daar gaan we. Klaar voor de start af.
21.
22. Oh,
Dit was het.
tot morgen.
This World War II submarine is 67 meters long, equipped with 2 diesel engines and 2 electric motors, and carried 14 torpedoes. Between December 1944 and March 1945, this ship sunk at least 5 Russian ships and damaged 1 American ship. On May 8, 1945, the crew had to surrender to the Norwegian Army. In 1971 it was donated to the German Naval Foundation in Labo to set up it as a museum right next to the Naval Memorial.
Heel fijn is dat.
Yes, this one will be a very interesting story.
Under this historic ship on the Baltic Sea, the children gathered sand as our contribution to the Monument to Humanity by Jean-François.
Oui. Yeah, yes, oui. So, thank you very much, sir. Check in now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So now you close the bottle here?
Yes.
Yeah, super.
After another signature was put in Tristan's diary, we said goodbye.
Hello, hello, hello.
We will meet you again sometime somewhere. On the road again. We had received a tip about a location on a large factory site. Landschaftspark Duisburg, in the Roodjewaard.
Ja.
Another nice location for another driving lesson for Els.
We staan nu in zijn één toch?
Nee, ze staan nu vrij. Niet naar voren. Nee, gewoon naar voren. In die ring, ja.
En nu het schakelen we op.
Nou, ga ik. Recht naar achteren. Ja.
Nou, wat jij. Ik heb geen idee hoe ik er ben, hè, dus. Moet je een bocht pakken? Dat gaat dus niet, jongen.
Nee hoor.
Hè?
Nou, die gaat inderdaad niet, nee. Dan gaan we door. Nee, die haal je niet.
Oh man, dat is een bestuurder.
Nee, was. Ja, maar daar moet je de weg op.
Nee, nee. Oké. Ik dacht hier te draaien.
Ja, dat kan niet. Het kan niet. Lage takken. Dat kan niet. Ja.
Kan gewoon.
En nu?
Achteruit zit daar. Ja. Nee. Zo. Ja, doet hij wat? Ja.
Geen idee.
Kom maar. Stop. Stop. Vooruit.
En nu?
Voor, gas.
Ik ga niet de weg op.
Nee, hoop niet. En die om die auto heen slingeren met een S en dan weer terug naar achteren. Kijk, een dakje op de auto. Oh, stop, stop! Ja. Wat bocht? Dat scheelde niks.
Nee, dat scheelde niks niet.
Vandaag gaan we een treinbaan maken en wil jij mij helpen alsjeblieft? En daarom gaan we dat doen. Oké? Gaan we straks weer samen met mij en jou gaan we samen de treinbaan samen helpen. Oké? Doei! Nou, ik vind dat je wel leuk met de sport te rijden. Nou, succes met je leven. Staan. Wat ga je doen?
Although we were all alone at night, the next morning the car park would become the starting point for a rally. So we had to leave extremely early, for the last leg of our journey. Home. Would we be able to change our lives and travel permanently to let the children discover what the world has to offer in this way? We evaluated the 3 weeks of travel, discovery and learning. On the way from Belgium to the Netherlands, we actually already knew